Hello Royals, welcome back. Yes guys, today I'll be taking you to IKEA, yes, to go for some shopping. So guys, come along with me. Let's go to IKEA. I'm getting some curtains, rugs, so some lights for my living room and the window blinds and all that for my kitchen. So guys, let's go. Yeah, this is session of the light, and I actually like this light, but I was thinking maybe they will put it on sales, but I realized that might never happen because it's always expensive. I think my sister has the same kind of lighting, and I said, okay, why not? Let me just pick it. This bulb looks so beautiful. I couldn't resist it. I had to film this one as well for you guys, though I didn't buy any from that bulb. I don't know why. So I'm on my way home now, guys. So I'll show you what I got immediately I get home, guys. See you later. I'm done, guys. So showing you what I got. This is a rod I got from IKEA, and to go here for the curtains. That's the rod. I got two curtains. For that. Hopefully to be able to go from there to here. So this is actually 4, and then this. I also got this one. Got this one for the kitchen. So I'll be fixing it in the kitchen. I actually don't like curtains that much, so I don't know. I might also put this one in my room, and that will be it. So guys, I like IKEA rugs because they don't actually smell. So this, and I got a light. Yes, I got a new light. Yes, a new light. I'll be putting the light somewhere here because for now I just have a bulb. I'll be fixing it. I will show you guys this light. This light is very fine. They have the silver, gold. If you want to go for gold, you can go for gold. But I went for silver because I have white and black in the living room. So why not? I can't wait for you guys to see this light. No, I need to get a 2 bars. Yes, 2 bars to fix these curtains. Yes. Then I can't wait for the transformation. Yes, guys. Powerful and expensive machine because this wall is like rod. You need this powerful machine to bore holes on this wall. So this one will be using to bore holes on the wall, and it's going to be very loud while doing it. So I don't know if I'm going to be filming that one because I won't be the one boring this hole, because if I should do this one, my body will tell at night. So I can't do this. I'll just show you the light that I have up now so that you guys can see. That's the bulb. That's the bulb, guys. So I'll be changing this one in a bit.
It's my year of blessings. I worship you today. Yahweh, 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 oh, Eledumare. My God is mighty. My God is capable, 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 capable. I worship you today. This is our year of divine acts. This is our year of favor. No one can stop it at all. Our year of abundance of joy. Our year of grace. Our year of fruitfulness. We bow down before your name. Thank you, Lord. He's a changeable God. Changeable God. There is nothing he cannot do. There is nothing he cannot change. Follow him in the days of trouble. Oh, Jesus is there to wipe away your tears. He's a changeable God. Unchangeable.
so it's closed. So I want to open it. I just drag this on. Oh, and it goes. Yeah.
Mama, why don't we?
We'll just leave it like this.
Okay guys, if you want to support this channel, you can join my membership. Just click on the join button below and to join my membership. Yes, and if you want me to also make some skits for you, I have a membership on that as well. Check it out guys. And if you want to support me as well, you can actually buy my merch from my merch store. You can actually see the link below under the description of this video. Yes, to buy my merch and support my channel. You can actually send me a PayPal as well. Yes, the link to my PayPal will also be below the description of this video. Thank you. I just got this one from IKEA. It was really nice. I said, why not? Since it's not expensive, let me just put it there. Maybe to add to the beauty of the living room. Also, I got this rug, and I'm so happy that I got it because my kids actually liked it. So they've been there playing, like, I don't just do, they just like it anyway. So at this point, because they actually folded it, so it was a bit difficult to straighten it up. But I was still doing it now, you know. We had to do what we had to do. So I had to test it with some, is it push-up or what? I don't know. I said, okay, let me just do some push-up and trust my kids. So they were already there, joining in the gymnastic and the exercise and all that. So we actually had fun on that rug. That was the fun part for me because my kids actually liked it and they were so happy.
Okay guys, thank you guys for watching. Please, if you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share to your friends, tell a friend to tell another friend, and see you guys on my next video. Bye. It's been 5 hours guys, 5 hours.